Mix cloves with baby oil and you're going to thank me for it. It's really incredible. That's right. Everyone, and a tip is quite simple. First thing, we're going to pour 3.5 ounces of alcohol into a container. So let's add 3.5 ounces of alcohol here. Once you've done that, we're going to use a plastic bottle. If you don't have one, feel free to use any other container. Just make sure to pick one with a lead. All right, so let's go ahead and transfer all this alcohol into the bottle. Put it here. Next, we're going to need cloves. Let's add here about 1 tablespoon, this amount here. Go ahead and put it all in. All right, once that's done, we're going to leave it closed for 4 days. However, at least twice a day, every day, you give it a shake. All right, folks, so make sure to follow this process for 4 days. Okay, now I'm all ready to show you guys after 4 days. The mixture looked like this. The alcohol has already absorbed all the properties of the cloves, and that's exactly what we're going to need. So now let's transfer this mixture into this small spray bottle, but just need the liquid only. Because now we're no longer need a cloves, only the liquid. And now to finish, we're going to need some baby oil. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon here. Then just shake everything very well. And now our mixture is ready. A spray bottle like this one to make it easier to apply. This is an excellent homemade insect repellent. That's right, a total natural homemade repellent. And if you didn't know, cloves has some components that help repel all kinds of insects, especially flies and mosquitoes. And with the alcohol, we'll manage to extract all these components, and the baby oil will help it adhere to the skin. To use, just apply it to your body and spread it like this. With this repellent, folks, no mosquito or any insect will get near you because this is very powerful. And the best part is that you no longer need to use a store-bought repellents as they contain many chemicals. In fact, they can even be harmful to our health, the health of our pets, and also our plants. And now you can make this completely natural one, and the result will be much better. So that's it, everyone. Try this at home, and I'm sure you'll like the results very much. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.